I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead online. Since Cuphead does not feature built-in online multiplayer, you will need to use a special feature called Steam Remote Play Together. This clever tool allows you to stream your game to a friend over the internet, making it feel like you are playing side by side on the same computer. The best part is that only one of you needs to own the game on Steam to get started, which is super convenient for playing with friends. Setting up your online co-op session is quite straightforward. First, launch Cuphead from your Steam library and load into any game world. Once you are in the game, simply press the Shift and Tab keys on your keyboard at the same time to bring up the Steam overlay. From there, navigate to your friends list, right-click on the friend you wish to invite, and select the Remote Play Together option. Your friend will then receive an invitation to join your game. For a smooth online experience, it is important to understand player roles and input requirements. The person hosting the game will be streaming it to their friend. A critical detail for Cuphead is that one player must use a keyboard, while the other uses a game controller. This setup ensures that both players can control their respective characters, Cuphead and Mugman, without any input conflicts. Make sure to coordinate who uses which device before starting your adventure. To get the best possible online experience, there are a few tips to keep in mind. Both you and your friend should have stable and fast internet connections to minimize any potential lag. It is also a good idea to close any unnecessary applications running in the background on your computer, as this can free up resources for smoother streaming. For the absolute best performance, consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, as this often provides a more consistent and lower latency connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.